guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, today I am back with a turban wrap style. So basically I love wearing my turban wraps, and some people say dookie when my hair is dirty like now. But I watched a few YouTube videos, so I'm going to try this one style that this girl, I think she's a South African YouTuber and another YouTuber, maybe I can add pictures to show you guys. The thumbnail pictures caught my eye, so basically let's get into this video. So she started off with a base like a thinner layer dookie. So I'm gonna take a white one because I have like white and brown on today. So I'm taking the white one, and then I'm going to take a normal brown dookie. I personally like a little bit of the baby hairs to come out, and also a nice pair of studs and makeup is beautiful with a turban wrap. So we're just going to wrap this one. That's the length as normal, just a little bit to the back. At the back and just make a normal, and also my hair is in a normal bun, so I'm just gonna make a knot just like this. If you have a dookie or a turban or scarf, let me know, I say scarf, that's a bit thicker than this one, you can also use it like a little bit thicker, but your main one must be the thickest basically. So I'm just gonna do this, fold it, and then I'm going to tuck it in at the back. Basically I'm just tucking it in there. I also have a bobby pin in. You can also bobby pin it in there if you want to, because this is just for this is basically for foundation, just to create like a bit of volume under the main dookie. And then I'm going to do the same, but this one you can either stick it in here also. So let's like that basically. Then now it's better to have that type of fabric scarves like in the pictures I put on the screen than this type of material. Just close this. So basically the scarf is folded in half. This is roughly how thick it is. So it's folded in half, the same length on both sides, and then I'm going to put it on like so. Basically you're just covering that white. So the white you can push it back a bit more just so it don't come out, and then that one on top of it. Same way, make a knot. Now you can see that volume is already there at the bottom. Now sometimes I make a knot, or I just fold it like this without making a knot. So I think I'm sticking to without making a knot. If you want to make a knot for the more security, you are most welcome to do that. So I like taking the ugly side and folding it in first, like basically hiding that, and then I'm bringing it over like that. Then this back piece here, I flip it in, and then I do that. So basically same thing, wherever I feel a hole, or at the bottom of the knot. If you make a knot, actually it's much better. That's where I'm pushing it in right now. Make sure it's right there on top, and then I do the same with the side. And then, or you can, if you do the turban wrap, this side that's doing the fold, the last fold, you can even make the side a bit longer if you want. Some people actually leave the tail out, but this is basically how I do my turban wrap. And then I'm also going to secure this piece away, tucking it in both sides, making sure there's nothing sticking out at the back. Loose ends, tuck it in, tuck it in. But I think it's better to make a knot. And that's basically my turban wrap. Simple. Take out a little baby hair if you want to, with your pair of studs, with your makeup, with your outfits. This is what I used to do over the years. I can do more turban wrap. I have a few different types of wraps. I can make the bun one, I can make the one where I start with back. I will do that in another video, but for today this is a simple turban wrap for when your hair is dirty and you don't feel like doing hair, and then you just take out a little baby like I said and this. So guys, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I hope you enjoyed this video, really simple video for today, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share all my videos. Until next time, bye.